The HP NV6020E printer is designed for convenient wireless printing, allowing you to print documents and photos directly from your phone, tablet, or computer without connecting cables. Once connected to your home Wi Fi network, the printer can receive print jobs from multiple devices using HP's mobile apps or standard printing software. Setting up Wi Fi only takes a few minutes and ensures smooth printing throughout your home or office. Try these. Step 1. Turn on the printer and place it near your Wi Fi router for a stable connection. Step 2. Press and hold the wireless and cancel buttons together for about 5 seconds until the blue light starts blinking to enter setup mode. Step 3. Download and open the HP Smart app on your phone or computer. Step 4. In the app, select Add Printer, then choose the HP NV6020E and connect it to your Wi Fi network. Step 5. Follow the prompts to complete the setup and print a test page to confirm the wireless connection.